Hi, welcome to Own a Property. Today we have discussed about one of the flat. It is a model flat in Jubilee Hills. So there is only two floors in a floor, only one and two, and with separate lift. And we will see the complete house with 3 BHK and home theater. This is the house where we are seeing at our drawing room with 12 into 10 and 13 into 9 size, and this is the drawing room. So complete drawing room with dining hall. This is the drawing room, and there is a puja room is also available immediate to that. And if we move to the kitchen, this is the kitchen 12 into 2 size and 14 into 9 size. So completely, it is a model flat, it is available with fully furnished, and this is the thing. Everything we can set like this, set up like this. And next, attached to the kitchen, there is a utility room is available. The size of the utility room is 12 just 9 inches, 9 to 10 inches. This is it. But here surprising thing is that being a flat, there is a complete, or from here to there is a, we can use as a in this attached to utility room we can use. And this is the for made kitchen, made washrooms. We'll see that place while coming to return. And now we'll move to next, attached bedroom with master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom, and where we saw the space here. The space is continuous with the utility room. And master bedroom. So this is the powder room, dress room with the attached washroom. Now attached to the next, we will move to home theater. 12 into 10 size home theater with AC, and this is the home theater. So we can enjoy our family home theater. This is the space, and we can enter like this. This is a completely L-shaped hall, and we can use this as a washroom, common washroom. And when we move to second bedroom, this is a guest bedroom. We can treat this as a guest bedroom. And this from here also there is a vast balcony is available, landscaping, guest room or children's bedroom, what it may be, it is on our planning. And it is also 13 into 6 inches, and the size of the bathroom like this. And we will move to from here to there, completely out balcony is available from there to here. If you want to see, you can see from here to there, again there to inside also available. And this is the bedroom. So 3 bedrooms with home theater, and with the spacious balconies. 11,500 per square feet. Total there is a 2082 3,718 square feet available in Jubilee Hills. Thank you.